Good evening, Tim with Rip Relics. Not sure what the wind's going to play with this, so try not to talk too much. But out here at my school property here, where they're going to build the school, and first target, or a good target, nice debuckle. So this little lot, they've cut the grass now, so it's going to make it a lot easier. So, but got the debuckle, and we'll see at the bottom next hole. Well, after that little debuckle, that was the only thing I found over there, so I moved spots. I'm at my go-to place for coins, and y'all can see this right there, only a couple inches down. So I made a bracelet. And that's exactly what it is. Bracelet. Probably plated. Costume or something. Yeah. Alright, well, not bad. I'll get it home, clean it up after a while, see if there's any marks on it, but I doubt it. Alright, we'll see you at the bottom next hole. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm fixing to lose all my light, but it was nice coming through the trees right there. Anyway, this was over at the where the academy is going to be built. This was pretty neat. I'm not sure what the heck it is, because like number 2 on or number 3. A nail on that piece, and it was really slow over there, so I left. And I come over to my old school here. I got 3 1/4 in clad quarters, and then I got this bracelet. As you can see, I loaded up on the other clad pennies, dimes, nickels. I haven't even bothered to count it all up. Anyway, I loaded up on it, and I've only been here maybe 2 hours. So, and I mean, I passed up a lot of signals too. So, you know, it's a lot of pennies out there and a lot of dimes. I just passed them up. So, I guess you call it my bank. So if I ever need some change for something, I know where to go to get some change. There's plenty of it. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and we'll see you at the bottom of the next hole.